Welcome to Prithvi Social Studies.
Namaste. In this video, we are going to learn relief features of India. Let's recall previous part. What is the southernmost latitude of Indian mainland?
8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude.
Northernmost latitude?
37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude.
Westernmost longitude?
68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude.
Easternmost longitude?
97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude.
Expand IST and GMT.
IST Indian Standard Time. GMT Greenwich Mean Time.
What is the time difference between two adjacent longitudes?
4 minutes.
Let's move to the main part of the lesson. Major relief divisions. The relief features of Indian landmass can be divided into 6 groups. The Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, the desert, the island. Origin of the Himalayas. In previous classes you came across continental drift theory. Tell me about that.
The continental drift theory describes the present arrangement of continents and ocean basins. Supercontinent Pangaea broke up into two lands. First one Laurasia or Angara land, second one Gondwana land.
Okay, the Indian peninsula was part of Gondwana land. Over 200 million years ago, Gondwana land split into pieces and the peninsular Indian plate moved towards northeast and collided into the much larger Eurasian plate, Angara land. Owing to the collision and immense compression force, mountains evolved through a folding process over millions of years. The present form of the Himalayas is a result of this process. Where are Himalayas located?
Himalayas are located in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh.
The Himalayan ranges run in the west-east direction in the form of an arch with a distance of about 2400 kilometers from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Their width differs from 500 kilometers in the western regions to 200 kilometers in central and eastern regions. It is broader in western regions. There are also altitudinal height variations across the regions. The Himalayas comprise three parallel ranges. Greater Himalayas are Himadri, Lesser Himalayas, Shivaliks. What do you know about Himalayas?
Himalayas are covered with full of ice.
Greater Himalayas are composed of snow and ice cover. We find glaciers here. The seasonal cycles of accumulation of ice in winter, movement and melting of glaciers in summer are the sources of the perennial rivers. The important ranges are Karakoram Range, Jaskar Range. We find peaks in this range. What is the highest peak in the world?
Mount Everest.
This range consists of the highest peaks with an average elevation of about 6100 meters above mean sea level. Mount Everest in Nepal, height 8848 meters. India's highest peak, K2, Mount Godwin Austen in Karakoram range, height 8611 meters. Kanchenjunga, height 8586 meters. Nanga Parbat, height 8126 meters. Nanda Devi, height 7817 meters. Lesser Himalayas is the portion of range found to the south of the Greater Himalayas. It has the most rugged relief. These ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed rocks. The height ranges from 3700 meters to 4500 meters. Important ranges are Pir Panjal Range, Mahabharat Range. The lesser Himalaya ranges consist of famous valleys: Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley, Kulu Valley in Himachal Pradesh. The region has evergreen forests. It is well known for many hill stations: Simla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet. Shivaliks, the southernmost range of the Himalayas. Shivaliks extend over a width of 10 to 50 kilometers and have an altitude varying between 900 to 1100 meters. These ranges are called by different names in different regions: Jammu Hills in Jammu region, Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, Kachar in Assam. These parts consist of thick gravel and alluvium. Dunes. The valleys between the lesser Himalaya and Shivalik ranges are called as dunes. The prominent dunes are Dehradun, Kotli Dune, Patli Dune. The easternmost boundary of the Himalayas is the Brahmaputra Valley. Beyond the Dihang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh, the Himalayas take hairpin bend to the south and act as the eastern boundary of India. These divisions are known as Purvanchal. These are mostly composed of sedimentary sandstones. The Purvanchal run through the northeastern states and regionally known as Patkai Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, Naga Hills in Nagaland, Manipuri Hills in Manipur, Khasi Hills in Meghalaya, Mizo Hills in Mizoram. What is the importance of Himalayas?
Himalayas are northernmost boundaries of our country. Many rivers originate from Himalayas.
Himalayas act as barriers, protecting the Great Plains of India from the cold winds of Central Asia during severe winter. The Himalayas are the reason for summer rains and monsoon type of climate in regions that are beyond the Western Ghats. In its absence, the region would have remained drier. The Himalayan rivers have a perennial flow since these are fed by the glaciers and bring a lot of silt, making the plains very fertile. Post your doubts in the comment box.
Kashmir, heaven of the world. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more lessons.